Okay. So, I'm really done with you. Don't do that ever again. I ain't recording this. Here's how to turn to Phalanx. Gonna get him border. Okay. First of all, I'll recompo this and then buy. Insert it. Oh. How many leads should I have to turn into a caterpillar? I'm now a first people. Oh, I'm military now. I'll use my age. I'm not 70 years old, but I'm actually 7. I'm going to use 70 here. I'm getting annoyed. I'll use that again. I'll use my age. See, in the many years ago. Not even 74, but already 30. Yeah, finally.
Ask Daddy if you can borrow the tablet. Kasi that's Daddy's tablet. And you say sorry kay Daddy kasi baka masira